Hi, so just a quick video. So there does look to be an issue, all right? So if I was to just copy this one, for example, which is your last year's, your 2015 one, and click in and change the data source, I know we've already gone through this, but if I was to add the 2016 external satisfaction and remove the original, what happens is that basically all of the tables are there, but there's no data pulling into them. So there definitely does seem to be an issue with reporting 2.0 in this case. So like if I click on here, it's pulling in the embedded data, which is partner. But if I was to do that again and just click on embedded data and partner and remove project, you'll see that it actually does pull in here. So it's not doing it automatically. This means it would pretty much be necessary to click on each one, change it back to embedded data and pull in project, and do this for each one, which is an absolute nightmare, I know, but there just looks to be an issue there. The only other thing that we could do is we could generate a new report, not in reporting 2.0. So if I was to go into the one I just created, which is this one, and if I change back to original reporting, don't worry, there won't be anything affected in the reports or anything that you've created. You'll just have to swap back to reporting 2.0 if you want to start working on them again. But I'm just going to make one called Q Support Original. And then I can choose I'll choose the 2015 one to start with as an example. So then I can get Qualtrics to generate one for me with a title, table, graph, and statistics. So that generates all of this for me for the 2015 survey. You'll have to make whatever edits you want to this now. And then you could add a new page and make that your cover page with your title and your logo on it. But what happens then is basically if we want to use this as our template and create any surveys or any reports moving forward from that, Q Support Original, I could just make a copy of that. Here we go. Then if I was to actually change the data source, so down here I can just do choose survey. And if I instead choose the 2016 external survey, it will pull in my 28 responses, but as you see, if I go down, it actually pulls through those 28 responses into the rest of my report. It doesn't do that for the text entry. It looks like that was the one that was deleted, but all of the others do pull in. It will just be blank for the 3 questions that you deleted between the 2 years, but that does work. So it looks like that's just an issue with reporting 2.0. I will escalate this to our resolution team, but because reporting 2.0 isn't in the new platform, I'm not sure how quickly this will be looked into. But is there a specific, I just wondering if there is a specific reason to reporting 2.0 is being used, or whether it would be possible for you to swap over to original reporting. Like I say, all you need to do is just generate the report, which will do it automatically for you. Make the couple of changes that you would like, and then if you copy and just change the data source, it will actually work. Obviously, you can apply the filters as well in whatever way you wish. So please just let me know what you think of this in an email. Like I say, in the meantime, I will escalate this issue to our resolution team to look into, but please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with.